Osmo Pocket, footage playback and transfer. The camera has built-in storage and supports microSD cards for storage expansion. Enter the control center to check the storage information, or switch to microSD card storage. Tap Storage to format internal storage or the microSD card. Swipe right in the camera view to enter the playback view. When playing back the video, long press any blank area on the screen to play at double speed. Swipe right again to favorite or delete the file. Tap the volume icon in the top right corner, and move the slider to adjust the playback volume. Swipe up and down on the screen to view the photos and videos. Tap the icon in the top left corner to enter the grid preview page. You can switch to view footage in the internal storage or in the microSD card. Swipe left in the playback view to go back to the camera view. Rotate the screen to power on your camera. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. Run the app. The app will automatically search for nearby devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the device. Once connected, the camera album will be displayed. You can view and download a single file, or select multiple files to download together. The app also supports editing and post-processing of footage, and the edited clips can be exported as the final video. You can also transfer photos and videos by cables. Connect the camera to a mobile device with the provided cable. When connected, view and transfer photos and videos via the device album or file management. To export footage to a computer, connect the camera to your computer using the provided cable. Then tap Transfer File, USB OTG, to view the internal storage or the microSD card, and download the files to your computer.